how to personalize an email with the name in MailChimp. So first, go to your MailChimp dashboard. Next is just click on create. After that, just click on design email under regular email. Okay, now let's just wait for it to load. Okay, now you can choose any one of these three. So for me, I'll just choose basic layout. Click on it. Then after that, you can choose any of the templates here. So let's say I want to use the bold template here. Just click on apply. Okay, now what you need to do is just customize your email. And after customizing it, so let's say you want to add a name of your recipient. So let's say is dear, then just add the name, so example name. After that, just click on save and exit. Now just add the recipient who you want to send it to, the subject, and of course the send time. You either send it now or send it later. As for this one, we're only seeing this one because I didn't actually edit all of the template. So if you edit all of your template, customize it, you won't see this. All right. So after that, just click on send. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.